Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the golden age of American automobiles, the late 1950s. And our star is none other than the 1958 Plymouth Fury. With its iconic styling, rich chrome details, and unforgettable performance, this car became a true symbol of its era, even inspiring Stephen King's Christine. Let's take a closer look at the Fury's exterior, interior, and performance, before wrapping it all up with why this car still captures attention decades later. Exterior. At first glance, the 1958 Plymouth Fury screams 1950s Americana. Its long, low, and wide stance showcased Chrysler's forward look styling, designed by the legendary Virgil Exner. The most striking feature: those dramatic tailfins, sharp, upward sweeping, and capped with chrome trim, they gave the Fury a futuristic rocket ship vibe that fit perfectly in the space age. Up front, you'll notice the full-width chrome grille flanked by quad headlights, a feature just becoming popular in the late 50s. The body lines are smooth yet bold, with stainless steel trim running the length of the car. The Fury was offered exclusively in buckskin beige paint accented with gold anodized aluminum inserts, making it stand out as Plymouth's halo model. Everywhere you look, the exterior screams luxury and performance, from the wraparound windshield to the sleek rear deck. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Interior. Step inside, and the 1958 Fury delivers a cabin that blends comfort with a touch of sportiness. The seats were upholstered in beige vinyl with textured cloth inserts, giving it a premium yet inviting look. The dash features large, easy-to-read gauges set in a symmetrical layout, with bright chrome bezels surrounding the instruments. A unique push-button automatic transmission control panel sits to the left of the steering wheel, a futuristic design choice that was pure Chrysler innovation. The Fury also included options like a full heater, AM radio, and even a record player. Yes, a record player in your car back in the 1950s. The cabin was roomy, with bench seats front and rear that could comfortably fit 6 passengers. This was a car designed for both style and family practicality. Performance. Under the hood, the 1958 Plymouth Fury came standard with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 290 horsepower with dual 4-barrel carburetors. For its time, this was serious performance, giving the Fury plenty of muscle to back up its looks. Buyers could also opt for Chrysler's brand new 350 cubic inch, Golden Commando, V8, pushing output up to 305 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or the 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, the Fury delivered strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising. Performance stats for the day were impressive: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 10 seconds, and a top speed around 115 miles per hour. Power steering and power brakes were available options, making this big cruiser surprisingly manageable. With its combination of power and style, the Fury wasn't just a pretty face, it was a genuine performer on the road. So, what makes the 1958 Plymouth Fury so special? It represented the height of Plymouth's design and engineering in the 1950s, combining bold styling, a comfortable interior, and serious V8 performance. Its dramatic fins and gold trim captured the optimism of the era, while its power made it a true driver's car. Today, the 58 Fury is a rare collector's piece, cherished not only for its beauty but also for its cultural legacy, forever immortalized in books, movies, and car history. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, it's a reminder of when cars were rolling works of art. The 1958 Plymouth Fury, a true classic of the American road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1958 Plymouth Fury, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car features. What's your favorite detail about this iconic machine? Let me know in the comments below.